Hello and welcome to GP Support North's 10-part information mini-series all about Management Reporter, overviewing the additional functionality and helpful tips for this reporting tool on Dynamics GP. Well, with that said, let's jump right into generating a weekly report. Over to you, Melissa.
The weekly report. Okay, so I'm going to generate this report quickly just to show you. We're right there. I can bring in my results weekly. Okay, right now you're thinking I can only generate reports up to the month end date, right? If you had a particular date you want to generate it to, you can using this feature here. Okay, I'm just showing you the weekly of each week, and how I did that, okay, was nothing in the rows, just straight rows and rows here. Okay, it's the column where it's the magic happens here. Okay, so here there's a feature called start and end dates. I just put in my days as weeks, right, for all. So first week, second week, third, fourth. Okay, unfortunately it's not smart enough to know which month, like 28 days. It's gonna actually count the actual days. So so it's not that smart enough to know. But if you put it to, if you know you're running for February, then you would want to probably put 28 or 29 depending if it's a leap year. Okay, or if you want to just calculate the whole week, because here we're going to see the balance for the whole week here. Okay, the other thing you can do if you don't want to use actual dates like this, you can double click and you get a calendar, and you can actually enter dates like that too. Okay, so I'm just going to change that to 31, and then right here I don't have to manually put in the dates. I can just follow the dates. It's smart enough to know to pick it up from here, the month you're running it for, to say the 1st to this date. All right, and it will show you the start and end dates on this. All right, and I'm not going to save my changes. The next report that I like to, okay, is what I call a rolling 12-month report. Okay, so what it's going to do is, right now I've generated it for April. Okay, I'm starting from the 16th, 2016 of May to April 2017. Okay, if I change this now and I generate it for this for July and I regenerate, notice that it's changed now. It's July 2017 and now it's August 2016. Now, how did I do that? So very quickly, it's all the magic happens here. Okay, so what I did is I hard-coded it with a base minus 11, 10, 9, 8, all the way to base 1, and then put the final month as the base here, right? And then I just put in my headings that I can get my fiscal year, so it's all dynamic. It reads it here from the basis, from the periods in the year, so you know exactly what period it's running for. And then I just did my simple calculation here, all right?
Thanks, Melissa. What a great overview on weekly reporting. For more on Management Reporter or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, follow GP Support North on LinkedIn. See you there!